If you're using ChatGPT, then you have most likely found out that the quality of the output very much depends on the input. Now, what if I can show you one single prompt that will rule them all? We are going to use ChatGPT to write our own prompts that we can then later use for ChatGPT. This is Chris from Tech Savvy Tutorials. Please subscribe to the channel and let's get started. We are going to trick ChatGPT and let it know it now has to become or identify as a prompt creator. It's 2023, so heck, why not? Now this prepared prompt is going to let ChatGPT, prompt creator know that it has to do 3 tasks. 1, it's going to ask you for a topic that it needs for the prompt. And then it's going to print you the revised prompt. It's going to print you a list of suggestions how you can improve the prompt. And it's going to ask you questions which you are going to answer so that ChatGPT or the prompt creator knows how to make the prompt better. Now we can continue these iterations until we are happy with it. And then we'll ask ChatGPT with the new prompt what you actually wanted to know. So let me show you how this works. So we are going to copy this prompt now into a new chat of ChatGPT. And now ChatGPT is going to ask you about the topic of the prompt. I want to know how keto diet works. Now what it's going to do is it's going to print you first a revised prompt. What is the keto diet and how does it work to promote weight loss and improve health? It will give you a couple of suggestions how to improve the prompt, and it will also ask you questions. Are there any specific aspects of the keto diet you would like to focus on? I want to know how many carbs I can eat per day. Do you have any prior knowledge? No, I don't. And are there any specific concerns or questions you have about keto diet that we should address or prompt? No, I don't. And so you can see now that it has already a revised prompt. What is the keto diet and how does eliminating carbohydrate promote weight loss and improve health? So it's much more details already. It still has a couple of suggestions and then it has more questions that you can answer. Now you can go along with this over and over until you're happy with this new prompt. And the next step is you can copy the prompt, open a new chat window, paste it in, and off you go. It's going to give you a much more detailed answer than it would have been before. Now let me know in the comments if you have used this technique before. If you like it, you can also find this prompt down in the description. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.